With the Fed raising rates, what other opportunities might present themselves? Or is the fact that they're talking about doing this in a very gradual fashion not going to pose any stresses anywhere?
No, I don't think, look, 25 basis points is not going to stress anybody out.
Right.
I don't think they're going to move far enough or fast enough to change the equation. In a major sense, I think it's a non-event.
You just raised a new fund for a rainy day. Can we say that?
Yes.
What are you waiting for? What do you need to see in the market to put that money to work?
Well, we need two things. Number one, we need the default rate among high-yield bonds to pick up. It has increased in the last 12 months, but it's still not back to the long-term average. Defaults are very scarce, especially outside of oil. And then we need some enthusiastic selling. We get our best bargains, as does everybody else, when some people are moved to sell.
Are you going to buy Puerto Rican bonds if you haven't already?
We don't buy sovereign.
Okay, because I was going to say, Paul Ryan is talking about Congress is going to address the Puerto Rican situation next year sometime, and those certainly would qualify as distressed bonds right now.
Yes, but the solution or the answer on that question is not an economic one. It's a political one. And I think that political analysis, those two words are an oxymoron, and I wouldn't want to bet on my political judgments.
Okay, got it.
Your investor letter from October, you warned investors against following the crowd into a trade, and you said social media stocks might not necessarily be poised to continue going up. What do you mean by that?
Well, popularity is not a good thing. When you buy the things that are popular, we have an expression, they're usually priced for perfection. There's too much optimism in the price. And when the price has been set by optimists, that means the upside is limited and the downside might be extensive. So we don't buy stocks, we don't buy social media stocks, but I think if you look for something that's been the beneficiary of enthusiasm in this market, there hasn't been much, but that's it.
Can a distressed debt investor be an optimist?
Yes, we're optimistic about the recovery of the things we buy after we buy them.
That's good to hear, Howard.
That's why you become
Thanks for
optimist.
coming in. We appreciate it.
Pleasure.